Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, an espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex interior with a natural grain brown ash wood trim, sunroof, come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, premium one package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, different driving modes, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 28,443 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.